reflection. So let's try and get that. ISO 160. Okay. Sky is massively overexposed. Another reflection of St. Paul's there. Looks nice. Okay. So manually going to have to do me ISO a lot today. Quiet in St. Paul sounds amazing today. Right, okay. I'm trying to get the buildings in St. Paul's in. Again, I'm massively overexposed, so let's just the ISO again. Oh, that's okay. That's fine. Let's put it on auto ISO. Let's see what that's saying. That's better. Okay. Still. Wow. Well overexposed. Trying to get that 3. Focus it there. Oh. That lamppost with the cathedral in the background looks a good shot. Maybe it won't, I don't know. You can only try and see. Right. Right. I think it might be a good shot. Let me just bring down the f-stop. Eagle blade. Let's try and get that bus before he drives off. That'll do me. Excellent. Sign through this frame within a frame. f2.8. Right. Tell you what, I'm not good on my feet anymore. I've got to stop wobbling. Oh. Even I can get the cathedral through that way. No, there's not much going on, but I can get that lazy on a phone. Excellent. That's really good. Get closer. There we go. Before she moves off. Can't see me.
When you're in the car this afternoon on the riverside there by the town, torch.
So I just took a picture of them 3 people. The older guy was showing them putting things out to them. I don't know exactly how he was putting out, but I wish I could listen in, but I think that'd be a bit too cheeky. I like this guy's beard. So I can get a beard and there we go. Nice haze over the shard there, like that. Well, mate, it's fine, it's alright. Better if you
walk in front of your picture.
It'd be better if you're in it. Is it okay if I take a picture of you?
Yeah.
Yes, that's alright, yeah.
I don't want to break your camera.
It's alright. Where are you from?
US.
Whereabouts?
Indiana.
Indiana, oh right, okay, yeah.
Right
yeah.
in the middle.
yeah. No, I've been to Florida and New York. Yeah, so yeah.
Yeah, small town.
Nowhere near Indiana.
No.
Yeah. No, nice to meet you, thank you.
Yes, thank
Cheers.
you.
He was a nice guy. People always look a bit mean when they've got big massive beards, I don't know why. Like they're unapproachable, but he's a really nice fella. Yeah, got a good shot of him there with the town bridge in the background. I don't really like people posing for photographs, but I wanted to get his beard in the photograph, so he'd either stopped or was going to be walking too fast, so I had to stop him. That guy was really going for it down there. There's another one going past. Like that house down there, the yellow door. I'll get a closer shot of that one. That's like a nice shot, that. Again, I'm not happy with the exposure, but I can bring that boat down in post-processing, I suppose. I did say no more of St. Paul's, but I just got one more. Now they're called Cardinal Cap Alley, but it's not really an alley. It's got a gate on it. Well, I like this door. Okay. Not the whole house, to be honest. Pigeon. Hello, pigeon. He's getting his picture taken, not even flinching. Light on the building again. It's not really showing through on the camera. Well, see how it turns out. Blackfriars Station, where does that go? Couldn't get a photograph of you with that top on, could I?
Sorry?
Can I take a photograph of you wearing your top? Yeah, thank you. Are you playing today?
Not yet today.
Ah, right, okay. The both of you be brilliant. But what it is, as I'm in university, I've got a project about tribal colours. I'm doing football teams, that's why I'm in London.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right.
I was down for the match yesterday for Liverpool City. So I haven't seen any Brentford tops yet, so...
You want us to walk or...
if you don't, would that be alright, yeah? When you're ready, just talk to each other. Excellent, thanks a lot, cheers, thank you.
Sure.
Good luck for the season. So, yeah, a couple of Brentford fans. really took pictures of more people in football tops, but they haven't, which is annoying. This wall's great. Let's get it all in. Excellent. That's nice, that. Some great imagery on the wall here of old London. St Paul's again. Blackfriars Station. I'm glad these things are on the wall because I'm learning stuff. So my Blackfriars Bridge. Be great to travel back in time. Photos you could have got then. That's a great shot, but it'll be better at night. Let's have a look. I'm not keeping between my promise about St Paul's Cathedral, am I? He looks alright. Yes. Anything from you? Come on, mate. Give me a quick flip or something. Missed that one. Bare shots there of